1. The filament of a light bulb is made up of A. Platinum, B. Tantalum, C. Tungsten, D. Antimony. Answer: C. Explanation: the filament of a light bulb is made up of tungsten that produces light. 2. Which of the following is false? Sound waves are underscore waves. A. Pressure, B. Longitudinal, C. Electromagnetic, D. Mechanical. Answer: C. Explanation: sound waves are not electromagnetic waves. 3. Which of the following colored light has the lowest frequency? A. Green, B. Blue, C. Red, D. Violet. Answer: C. Explanation: red color has the lowest frequency of visible light. 4. The period of artificial geostationary satellite is A. 8 hours, B. 12 hours, C. 24 hours, D. 46 hours. Answer: C. Explanation: the period of artificial geostationary satellite is 24 hours. 5. The value of universal gravitational constant G is A. 9.8 meters/s2, B. 6.673 times 10 to 11 nm to kg2, C. 6.371 by 106 meters, D. 1.738 by 106 meters. Answer: B. Explanation: the value of universal gravitational constant G is 6.673 times 10 to 11 nm to kg2. 6. What is the unit of the magnitude of the weight? A. Distance, meter. B. Mass, grams. C. Force, Newton. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Explanation: the unit of the magnitude of the weight is Newton. Force. 7. What is the value of pi? A. 3.14159, B. 3.14358, C. 3.14258, D. 3.14289. Answer: A. Explanation: the value of pi is approximately 3.14159. It is mathematical constant and its symbol is P. 8. Which of the following is the best electricity conductor? A. Copper, B. Aluminium, C. Iron, D. Silver. Answer: D. Explanation: pure silver is the best conductor of electricity, but since it is not so easily available, other alternatives are more popular. Electrical conductivity of a material is a function of how easily its atoms can provide free electrons to pass a current. Any material which does not have free electrons in its atoms cannot conduct electricity. 9. Small liquid drops are spherical in shape because A. of adhesion, B. of gravitational force, C. of the atmospheric pressure from all the sides on the top, D. the liquid tends to have the minimum surface area are due to surface tension. Answer: D. Explanation: the liquid tends to have the minimum surface area are due to surface tension. A drop of a liquid tries to occupy the minimum surface R in a given volume as it is constantly under a kind of stretch among its molecules. This minimum area is achieved by assuming a spherical shape. These cohesive forces create surface tension, which means that the upper surface of a liquid always shows tension. 10. The Chandrasekhar limit is related to which of the following? A. Stars, B. Black holes, C. both of these, D. none of these. Answer: A. Explanation: it refers to the mass limit of the stars, beyond which they collapse. The Chandrasekhar limit is the maximum mass of a stable, white dwarf star. It is the mass above which electron degeneracy pressure in the star is not enough to its own gravitational pull. Consequently, white dwarfs with masses greater than this limit would suffer gravitational collapse, evolving into a neutron star or black hole. 11. A light year is a measure of A. light intensity, B. time, C. distance, D. none of the above. Answer: C. Explanation: A light year is known as the distance traveled by light in 1 year, which is equal to 3 lakh km per second times 24 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds. This unit is used to measure astronomical distances between various celestial bodies like planets, stars, galaxies, etc. 12. In the solar system, asteroids circle between these two planets: A. Venus and Mars. B. Mars and Earth. C. Mars and Jupiter. D. Jupiter and Saturn. Answer: C. Explanation: the asteroids are minor planets, especially those in the inner solar system. The term was earlier applied to any astronomical object orbiting the Sun, which did not show the disk of a planet and did not have comet-like properties. But in modern science, the term asteroid refers to the minor planets of the inner solar system, including those which are co-orbital with Jupiter. 13. Identify the pair that is correctly matched. A. Madame Curie, X-ray. B. Albert Einstein, photoelectric effect. C. Linus Pauling, electron. D. C.V. Raman, Stark effect. Answer: B. Explanation: in many languages, X radiation is referred to with terms meaning Röntgen radiation, after the German scientist Wilhelm Röntgen, who usually is credited as its discoverer, and who had named it X radiation to signify an unknown type of radiation. C.V. Raman is known for Raman effect, for which he won the Nobel Prize. Albert Einstein got the Nobel Physics Prize for this discovery of photoelectric equation. Madame Curie, radioactivity. Linus Pauling, electronegativity scale. 14. Refraction, reflection, dispersion and diffraction are associated with A. Light. B. Sound. C. Magnetism. D. None of the above. Answer: A. Explanation: in optics, refraction is a phenomenon that often occurs when waves travel from a medium with a given refractive index to a medium with another at an oblique angle. Reflection of light is either specular, mirror-like, or diffuse, retaining the energy, but losing the image, depending on the nature of the interface. Dispersion is the separation of white light into colors or of any radiation according to wavelength. Diffraction is the slight bending of light as it passes around the edge of an object. 15. The minimum possible temperature beyond which matter cannot be cooled is in degrees centigrades is A. 95.50. B. 100. C. 273.15. D. 473.50. Answer: C. Explanation: this temperature is also called the absolute zero of temperature. Absolute zero is the lower limit of thermodynamic temperature scale, a state in which the enthalpy and entropy of a cooled ideal gas is at its minimum value, taken as zero. All molecular motion is supposed to cease at this point, at least in theory. 16. Who among the following is credited for discovering the principles underlying electromagnetic induction? A. Michael Faraday. B. Volta. C. Coulomb. D. Gauss. Answer: A. Explanation: Michael Faraday was an English scientist who contributed to the study of electromagnetism and electrochemistry. His main discoveries include the principles underlying electromagnetic induction, diamagnetism and electrolysis. 17. Which of the following statement is correct about pi? A. It is non-repeating decimal value. B. It is non-terminating decimal value. C. It is repeating and terminating decimal value. D. It is non-repeating, non-terminating decimal value. Answer: D. Explanation: pi is non-repeating, non-terminating decimal value because it is irrational. 18. It is on this principle the quartz clock works. A. Piezoelectric effect. B. Gauss effect. C. Relativistic effect. D. Mass defect. Answer: A. Explanation: the principle of piezoelectricity refers to the electrical charge, which accumulates in certain solids like crystals, ceramics, bone, DNA and various proteins in response to mechanical stress. The word piezoelectricity means electricity resulting from pressure. 19. Who has calculated the circumference of the Earth and considered the value of pi equals 22/7? A. Archimedes. B. John Machens. C. Aryabhatta. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Explanation. Aryabhatta calculated the circumference of the Earth and used pi equals 22/7 as constant in the calculation around 5th century BC. 20. Cryogenic engines find applications in A. Submarine propulsion. B. Frost-free refrigerators. C. Rocket technology. D. Researches in superconductivity. Answer. C. Explanation. Cryogenic engines find applications in rocket technology. 21. The clouds float in the atmosphere because of low A. Temperature. B. Velocity. C. Pressure. D. Density. Answer. A. Explanation. When air rises, it is cooled by expansion. After dew point has reached cooling leads to condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere. Tiny droplets of water vapor which are too small to fall as rays or shower will be suspended in the air and float as clouds. 22. Pi consists of how many digits? A. 9 digits. B. 10 digits. C. 12 digits. D. Infinite. Answer. D. Explanation. Pi consists of infinite digits. 23. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion, A, and other labeled as reason. Our assertion, A, a diamond sparkles more than a glass imitation cut to the same shape. Reason, R, the refractive index of diamond is less than that of glass. In context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true and R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. C. Explanation. The refractive index of diamond is very high, approximately 2.47, while the refractive index for the glass is 1.57. Therefore, the initial angle for the ray of light traveling from diamond to air is very low, about 24 degrees. The initial angle for the ray of light traveling from glass to air is 39 degrees. Moreover, the diamonds are usually cut with their faces in such a manner that once a ray of light enters into it, it suffers a large number of total internal reflections at various faces till the angle of incidence inside the diamond remains greater than the critical angle. In total internal reflection, 100% of the light reflected back into the same medium. Hence, the object shines. That's why a diamond sparkles more than a glass imitation cut to the same shape. 24. An air bubble in water will act like A. Convex mirror. B. Convex lens. C. Concave mirror. D. Concave lens. Answer. D. Explanation. Correct answer is concave lens. 25. When a mirror is rotated by an angle 0, the reflected ray will rotate by A 0 degrees. B. 02. C. 0. D. 20. Answer. D. Explanation. For given incident ray, if a plane mirror is rotated through a certain angle, then the reflected ray rotates through twice of that angle. So if a mirror is rotated by an angle 0, the reflected ray will rotate by 20. 26. Which of the following statement is true about ionic compounds? Ionic compounds conduct electricity when dissolved in water. Ionic compounds are not soluble in water. Ionic compounds are crystalline solids. Correct options are A. Both 1 and 3. B. Both 1 and 2. C. Both 2 and 3. D. All the three. Answer. A. Explanation. Ionic compounds conduct electricity when dissolved in water or melted. They are soluble in water and are also crystalline solids. 27. The solution of one of the following compounds will conduct electricity. This compound is A. CCl4, B. HCl, C. KCl2, D. CHECl. Answer. C. Explanation. KCl2 form ionic bond and so will conduct electricity. 28. What is an ionic bond? A. Ionic bond is formed by sharing of electrons between two atoms. B. It is a bond formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another. C. Both A and B are correct. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Explanation. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another. 29. What is C12H12O11 also known as? A. Sand, B. Sugar, C. Salt, D. Clay. Answer. B. Explanation. Sugar chemical formula is formed by the combination of two monosaccharide molecules with the exclusion of a molecule of water. 30. The only non-metal which is liquid at room temperature is A. Mercury, B. Bromine, C. Chlorine, D. Gallium. Answer. B. Explanation. Bromine is a fuming red-brown liquid at room temperature that evaporates readily to form a similarly colored gas. 31. Choose the one which is different or odd from the following. A. Aluminum, B. Iron, C. Copper, D. Brass. Answer. D. Explanation. Brass is an alloy. 32. Name the ions present in sodium oxide compound. A. Sodium ions, B. Oxide ions, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. Answer. C. Explanation. The ions present in sodium oxide compound are sodium ions and oxide ions. 33. Which of the following are electrovalent compounds? A. Copper sulfate, B. Calcium nitrate, C. Magnesium oxide, D. All of the above. Answer. D. Explanation. Electrovalent compound are ionic compounds and so all the options given in the question forms ionic bond. 34. What is the electronic configuration of calcium ion, Ca2+? A. 2,8, B. 2,8,2, C. 2,8,4, D. 2,8,8. Answer. D. Explanation. The atomic number of calcium is 20 so its electronic configuration is 2,8,8,2 and so has 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Therefore to form calcium ion, Ca2+, calcium will lose 2 electrons and its configuration becomes 2,8,8. 35. Name the salt when non-dissolving in water given acidic solution. A. Potassium chloride, B. Ammonium chloride, C. Sodium carbonate, D. Sodium acetate. Answer. B. Explanation. Ammonium chloride salt on dissolving in water gives an acidic solution. 36. Bleaching powder is formed by treating chlorine with A. Calcium hydroxide, B. Potassium hydrogen carbonate, C. Magnesium hydroxide, D. None of the above. Answer. A. Explanation. Bleaching powder is formed by treating chlorine with calcium hydroxide. 37. Name the salt whose aqueous solution will turn blue litmus to red. A. Sodium acetate, B. Potassium sulfate, C. Potassium carbonate, D. Ammonium sulfate. Answer. D. Explanation. Ammonium sulfate salt aqueous solution will turn blue litmus to red. 38. Name an acid which contains both oxygen and hydrogen. A. Oxyacid, B. Hydracid, C. Dilute acid, D. Concentrated acid. Answer. A. Explanation. Oxyacid contains both oxygen and hydrogen. 39. What is the chemical name of baking soda? A. Potassium carbonate, B. Potassium hydrogen carbonate, C. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. D. Sodium carbonate. Answer. C. Explanation. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is the chemical name of baking soda. 40. What is battery acid? A. It is sulfuric acid diluted with water. B. It is carboxylic acid mixed with water. C. It is concentrated hydrochloric acid. D. It is concentrated sulfuric acid. Answer. A. Explanation. Battery acid is sulfuric acid diluted with water. 41. In human beings, the process of digestion of food begins in A. Stomach. B. Food pipe. C. Mouth. D. Small intestine. Answer. C. Explanation. Digestion of food starts as soon as we put food in our mouth. The mouth cavity contains teeth, tongue and salivary glands. The teeth cut the food into small pieces, chew and grind it. The teeth help in physical digestion. The salivary glands help in chemical digestion by secreting enzymes. 42. Which of the following organisms have parasitic mode of nutrition? A. Penicillium. B. Plasmodium. C. Paramecium. D. Parrot. Answer. B. Explanation. In parasitic nutrition, organism derives its food from the body of another living organism called host without killing it. Parasitic mode of nutrition is observed in several fungi, bacteria, few plants like cucuta and some animals like Plasmodium and roundworms. Plasmodium causes malarial disease. 43. Name the first enzyme that mixes with food in the digestive tract. A. Pepsin. B. Trypsin. C. Amylase. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Explanation. The salivary glands present in mouth secrete salivary amylase enzyme which digests the starch present in food into sugar. Digestion of starch or carbohydrate starts in mouth itself. Therefore, amylase is the first enzyme that helps in the process of digestion. 44. Which of the following in biology is the energy currency of cells? A. PDP. B. DTP. C. ATP. D. ADP. Answer. C. Explanation. The process of releasing energy from food is called respiration. The energy is stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, in the body cells which is used for various purposes like contraction of muscles, conduction of nerve impulses, synthesis of proteins and many other activities related to the functioning of cells. Therefore, ATP is known as the energy currency of cells. 45. Which of the following was the first antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928? A. Penicillin. B. Prontosil. C. Streptomycin. D. Tetracycline. Answer. A. Explanation. In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the first true antibiotic. 46. In 1981, ISRO launched India's first geostationary satellite called Dash. A. Aryabhata. B. Apple. C. Bhaskara 2. D. InSat Pound. Answer. B. Explanation. The first geostationary satellite launched by ISRO in 1981 was Apple.